there is a food called dolmeh. Dolmeh is made of the wine leaves, grape wine leaves. You choose the good, tender, large ones, of course. Then you make a mixture for filling, and that is made of anything that you like. I use lentil, I use split pea, I use rice and some beans. A lot of herbs you can add, dried herbs and other things. Salt, I put also vegetable cube inside this. As you see, I put even sweet corn. I had. So you add also, if you want, some tomato sauce or pasta sauce. Then you fill the wine leaves, 1-2 teaspoon in each leaf. Then you wrap the wine leaf around that filling, and put a little bit of water, about 1 centimeter. Put it on the low heat. I put it on 2 just to make it a bit hot. Then later we put it on 1, and then it gradually, of course, it's electric. And then it gradually steams. As you see, the color is changing from green to this color. And I can smell now that there's acidic smell coming of the leaf. The leaf is kind of acidic. It's nice in a way because this food has other things in it which makes it this. Next time when I'm picking the leaves and